friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see about how to install Zoom Cloud Meeting app in MeetMe. We use this app only because it is not officially available in every TV or Play Store. I am going to share Zoom Cloud Meeting APK via send files to TV app. I am going to share that APK from my mobile to TV. It's receiving. APK is receiving. If you are not having this app means just I have given a link in the description. Download via in that link and just load via USB drive. File size is 126 MB. Specified size. Okay, it's came. Just come back. You just come back. Now go to your file manager app. I'm using Explore File Manager. Now install the APK which you have shared via send files to me TV. Install this APK which you have shared from mobile phone to TV. Just download this APK from below description, guys. It's installing. But for video calling purpose, you should install external camera. It is available in Amazon or Flipkart. You can buy it and install it. Now it's installing. Now click open. Yeah, it's came working perfectly. You can control it by using a remote TV remote itself. And if you're having any meeting means just you can join via in your Me TV itself. And if you're having any doubt means just ask him below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video and do like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.